Here are a few quick tips to help you get started with wire feed welding. These steps apply to most of Lincoln Electric's wire feed welders sold through retail. First, let's set up a side-loading welder. Install the wire spool. To do this, release the idle roll. Then, select the correct drive roll based upon the size of wire you were using. Loosen the wing nut and spindle spacer. If you're using an 8-inch wire spool, you will need to use this adapter. If using a 4-inch wire spool, remove the adapter. Next, insert the wire spool so that the wire is fed in a direct line to the wire guide. Always hold the wire spool with one hand while loading into the wire drive with the other, so the wire does not unspool. Now, feed the wire through the wire guide, over the drive roll groove, and into the gun adapter. Swing the idle roll back into position and select the correct wire size on the adjustable arm. To feed the wire to the gun, remove the nozzle and contact tip. Turn the welder on and engage the trigger to feed the wire, or press the cold feed button if your welder is equipped with one. When wire appears, stop engaging the trigger or cold feed button and reattach the contact tip and nozzle. Cut the wire to the desired length, which is typically about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Here's how to set up a top-loading welder. Release the idle roll. Select the correct drive roll. Insert the wire spool so that the wire feed is directed to the wire guide. Feed the wire. Swing the idle roll back into position. Select the correct wire size on the adjustable arm. And finally, turn the welder on and engage the trigger to feed the wire. Stop engaging the trigger. Install the contact tip and nozzle. Cut the wire to the desired length. That's it. You are set to weld. But before you strike an arc, follow all safety protocols and wear proper safety gear. While there are many techniques for welding, here are a few tips to get you started. First, make sure you properly prepare and clean the metal before welding. For information on how to do this, view the metal prep and cleaning video produced by Lincoln Electric. Hold the gun with one hand. Use your other hand to prop up the gun and maintain proper distance. To weld lap joints, hold the gun at a 60-degree angle, and for T-joints, hold the gun at a 45-degree angle. For MIG welding, it's recommended to push the weld. Pushing the weld ensures you will have good gas coverage over the weld pool. If it's flux cord welding, pull the weld. Flux cord produces a lot of slag. This is the residue that covers the weld bead. To know when to push or pull, remember the old saying, when there's slag, you drag. So now that you know how to get started with wire feed welding, go have some fun. Follow all safety protocols and wear proper protection equipment. And make sure to check out the complete line of Lincoln Electric welders, consumables, and accessories.